lamdam asigi IAS amasung MCS officer kaya tongan mafam da transfer thakre anoba posting mafam pikre under secretary DPM Ravichandran na thokpa order amana hai transfer thakraba officer sing amadi makhoi gi anoba posting mafam sing adudi social welfare MI Kada WR Amadi CEO MIDA gi Commissioner cum Secretary Ningthozam Geoffrey Social Welfare Kada WR Amadi CEO MIDA gi Commissioner cum Secretary oiragani Manipur Lok Ayukta gi Secretary Robert Singha Khetri Mayumna MI amasung Manipur Lok Ayukta gi Secretary oiragani Ternopal District ki DC Krishna Kumar na Power gi Special Secretary amasung MSPDCL gi MD in charge oina puragani Transport ki Director Dr. Nivedita Lari Lakpam na Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner oiragani Bishnupur District ki Deputy Commissioner Al Bikram na Tourism ki Director oiragani Thoubal District ki DC S Subhas na DP Home gi Additional Secretary amadi Director Institutional Finance Pairagani Imphal East District ki DC Kumantem Dainana Transport Director amasung Veterinary and Animal Husbandry gi Additional Secretary oiragani Institutional Finance ki Director Ranjan Yumnam na Mahut amadi PHED gi Additional Secretary oiragani Tourism Director Pujay Langbam na Bishnupur District ki DC oiragani Textiles Commerce and Industry ki Joint Secretary Lakisan Ngamsa Kosung na Travel Affairs and Hill TRI gi Director amasung MD MTDC oiragani PHED Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Skill Labor Employment and Entrepreneurship ki Joint Secretary TN Hills TRI gi Director amadi MD MTDC Hanaka Maina Thoubal District ki DC oiragani Transport amasung Power ki Joint Secretary Saraf Yadav na Ternopal District ki DC oiragani Kaksing District ki ADC U Saitanyana STO Waikong amadi Video Langmaidong oiragani Kaksing District ki CEO JPP Santi Kumar na CEO JP Kaksing amadi ADC Kaksing oiragani amadi Langmaidong ki Video M Ingwachana Kaksing District ki SC2 DC oiragani hainasu order aduna palli